Rebates of up to $200 on the new Carrier gas furnace. Add Carrier Deluxe Central Air for an additional $100 rebate. For details, call C&K. Call C&K for all your heating, cooling, and plumbing needs at 233-1175. Or in Nevada, call 382-3164. C&K, the Comfort Kings. Natural gas, your best energy value. Carrier rebates of up to $300. Call C&K today.